Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel, and today I thought I'd go for a very sort of lilac-y dramatic look on the eyes. Can you see purple, lilac? And the palette that I've used is the Jaclyn Hill. I don't know if you can see that with the reflection. It's Jaclyn Hill. It's a Morphe palette, and the colour I've gone for today is this one. Don't know if you can see that. I've also gone for some of the yellows and the golds as well on the top. You might be able to see that there. Okay. I hope you enjoyed the video. I've listed all the products that I've used in the description box, and please don't forget at the end to give me a like if you've enjoyed the video and to subscribe to my channel. So I've already added my foundation. It's a MAC Studio Fix in colour NC42, and here you can see me applying some highlighter, and the one I've used is a Maybelline and it's colour 20. And what I'm doing now is I'm just blending it in so that it's seamless with the foundation. I'm now using my Laura Mercier translucent powder. It's translucent, so there's no colour, not adding any more colour to the foundation colours and the highlighter you've got. Now I'm going to do my eyebrows, and today I'm using a MAC pencil, and the colour I believe is dark brown. It doesn't look very dark. I don't like my brows to be too dark because my hair's quite light. And what I'm trying to do is I'm trying to make that arch quite high where the centre of my eye is, so that it lifts the eye. Now I'm going to use my Anastasia Beverly Hills Gel Brow. It's a dip and brow sort of mix, and it's really good for setting the brows in the shape that you've already created, and it just makes the eyebrow look a little bit more defined. Now I'm going to use the Jaclyn Hill palette, and I'm going to use a sort of lemony golden colour on the eyelid. So I'm just going to press that in on the eyelid. Now, above the eyelid on the bone area, I'm going to have a sort of transition colour, and I'm going to go for a peachy colour. It's very sort of natural looking, so you're going from lemon into a peachy colour, just to give my eyes a bit of warmth. And I'm just going to blend that in so that there's no harsh lines. Now I'm going back to the Beverly Hills palette, and I'm going for a nice purpley colour. It's very bright, but that's the effect that I'm looking for today. I want quite a nice bright purpley eye. So I just keep blending until it looks quite soft. I don't want to see any harsh lines, and I'll do the same on the other eye. More blending. And I'm always blending with a clean brush, so I don't want too much colour to go higher up. Now I'm going to go for a black colour. You couldn't see that on the palette, it was out of camera shot, but it is deep black, and I'm just going to go into the corner of the eye, and I'm just going to just rotate it and make sort of sweeping circular motions to make a smoky effect. So I'm blending the yellow and the purple with the black. This is trial and error. I always go with less powder on the brush and build it up until I've got the right sort of look. I'm going for a smoky look, but I don't want too much black because I want the purple to still remain as the main colour. Blend again, clean brush. Now I'm blending the black into the purple. Going over the transition colour, the peachy colour at the top. Now with a bit of highlighter, it's a NYX highlighter I've got here, going for the yellowy colour, and I'm going to just put that below the eyebrow to give it some highlight. Just going to curl my eyelashes, and then I'm applying now my NYX mascara in deep black. And on the top of the lash line, I'm going to add my waterproof liquid eyeliner, and I'm going to make a nice little wing shape at the top. It's not very thick, it's just above the lash line. Now I'm going to use my Huda Beauty highlighting powder, and the colour that I'm using is Blondie. I've got quite a lot of yellow in my skin tone, so I go for this colour for me. It's just a natural highlighter. And now I'm going to apply my eyeliner, and the one that I'm using today is called Obsession, and it's like a lilac-y colour. It's not too dark. If it was too dark, it'd come out black on me, so it's quite a nice lilac-y colour. Just going to put a little bit of mascara on the bottom lashes just to finish my eyes off, so they look a little bit more defined at the top and the bottom now. Now I'm not too happy with my eyelids, they're a little bit too dark, so I'm going to go and use something else. I'm going to wet my brush with some setting spray, and I think I'll use the MAC pigment in Melon. It's a lovely gold colour, and I think gold will probably stand out better with the purple. You can get them in little pots from MAC. They're really highly pigmented, and if you dip them in water or any type of setting spray, they just sit on your eyelid and they don't budge, and you get a lot more colour in them. They do them in all different types of colours. You can get greens, blues, natural colours, browns. They're really good to have, actually. I might get some more. So as you can see, that's a little bit more bright now on the eyelid, and it makes the sort of purple pop a little bit, I think. Now I'm going to do some contouring. Now I usually start down the sides of my nose, just to give my nose a more sleek, angular look. And then I'll go down the sides of my cheekbones, just below the bone. Do that silly face, and then you can find the bone, and just under there I do a straight line. All depends on the shape of your face really, but this works for me. One straight line, and then I can blend it. Got powder everywhere. I think I'll put some on my forehead now, just to give my skin more warmth on the top. Going back to the Huda Beauty highlighting powder, I'm just going to what we call bake the bottom there, so that I've got a nice line where I've put my contouring on. I'm going to use my Earle blush today. The colour I'm using is called Nectar, and it's a nice rosy peachy colour. I like the Earle blushes because they've got a lot of pigment in them, and they suit my skin and they glide on beautifully. So I'm not going too high with my blusher because I don't want to go into the highlighted bit, and I don't go below the line either. I'm going back to my eyeshadow palette in Revolution. It's called Red Alert, this palette, but it's got lovely white, brilliant white. And I put that in the corners of my eyes, just to make my eyes pop. Back to my NYX highlighting palette, and I'm just going to do the centre of my face, my forehead, the top of my nose, tops of my cheeks, blend everything else in where the contour's been done. Some blusher, and this blusher is called Ombre Radiance Coral Flush. Bit of lipstick, and the lipstick I'm using is by Collection. It's a lip defining pencil. It's a nude pink colour. I use this on the outsides, on the outlines of my lips, and then I'll go in with a very nude colour to fill in. Because I've got very striking eyes today, I want a very nude lip. And I'm using this sleek lipstick in Naked. Some translucent powder, and I'm using BlacUp. Well, it's more of a compact powder than translucent. It's got some colour in it, TW02. Now I'm putting my MAC highlighting on, and I just put it on the cheekbone, just slightly on the top. I don't overdo it. This highlighter is called Gold Deposit, and it's really a good all-rounder sort of glowy look. It suits my complexion. Some of them are too pale, but this one's got a nice golden look to it. So there you go. That's the finished look, and I hope you like it. Well, this is the finished look. I hope you like it. As you can see, I've got some purple going on there and some gold on the eyelids. Hope you like it. If you do like my video, please don't forget to give me a thumbs up and to subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon.